Welcome once again. We are we have been discussing about organization and management. So this is OB Organization Behavior Lecture Series 2. So we are with Dr. Maharajan on a knowledge sharing session. Before we proceed further in this video, let us recap what we have studied so far. So we have studied about organization culture, which are the shared values, beliefs, and behaviors of people in an organization. We studied about the leadership styles, which motivate the teams. We have also learned about how to manage change. Generally, people are resistant to change, so how to managing change is essential component of organizational behavior. So in this context, what we are going to study today, can you make any guesses? We have pictures here, some descriptions. We have teamwork and collaboration. We have employee development, organizational dynamics. So what is common among all these three? So we need to invest in employees so that employees develop. This is like what we call inclusive development. The organization also develops and the employees also. Same way we understand the intrinsic relationship of organizational dynamics. We emphasize here on teamwork and collaboration. So in this context, we understand the organizational culture and its impact here. We are exploring more on the dynamics of modern organizations. So first of all, the shared values, the core beliefs and principles. For any organization, there will be core beliefs that guide their decision making. What is a core belief? Our core belief is maybe like service to the society. It may be the organization's core belief. The core belief may be other organizations may be innovative solutions. So what is core belief? What is shared values in the organization? What people work for in the organization? And that's organizational norms. See, all rules are not written. The unwritten rules and expectations that shape employees interact and how do they conduct their business and how do they conduct themselves actually. Then we have artifacts and symbols. Any organization, the visible elements like the organization's logo, the organization's color actually, their office decor, the dress code of the employees, even the identity card of the employees, their traditions, their what advertisements they give, their products, what they reflect. These all things represent the artifacts and symbols through which we can understand the organization culture also and influence on performance. A strong organization, a positive organization culture, it will lead to good performance through productivity, through employee engagement, and other things. So we need to understand this. Let us see a real life case study. Here, XYZ corporation faced a stagnant organization culture. People were a silo mentality. People are working in small teams or in individualistic. They are resistant to change. The team working culture was not there. So this is a real problem. Then what strategies the leadership adopted? Leadership implemented a comprehensive culture transformation initiative so that focused on values, shared values, communications, and employee empowerment schemes. What's the result? Within 2 years, of course, it will take something like 1 or 2 years. Within 2 years, this company saw 25% increase in employee engagement and 20% boost in productivity and a 15% rise in customer satisfaction. So what do we understand here is when we transform the organization culture, the core values and shared values in the organization, the outcomes transform actually. Even the profitability transforms. So what is the role of motivational leadership in the workplace in this context? Goal setting, something like management objectives. So clearly defined achievable objectives that inspire employees to perform their best. Remember, this must be clearly communicated to the employees. And what is the rewards and recognition system? Is the organization acknowledge or celebrate the employees' contributions to boost the morale and engagement? And is the organization investing in the employees, coaching, or something like mentoring? So is the organization providing, the leaders providing constructive guidance and feedback, so that helps them to develop the employees to unleash their full skills and potential? What sort of leadership the organization has? Are the visionary leaders who empower and motivate people, or transformative leaders? What sort of leaders we have? Again, it again leads to navigating conflicts and effective communications also, because any organization there will be some conflicts. So conflict, we need to identify the conflict. What is the root cause of the conflicts? So that we need to identify difference of opinion and other things. That's very important step, because only until unless we know there is some conflict exists, we cannot do anything about it actually. Then we need to engage in open dialogue, constructive feedbacks, constructive discussions. Okay, then we need to find acceptable, mutually acceptable solutions. Then it's very important, we need to understand, we need to, for that we need to listen with empathy, understand different perspectives. Okay, we agree, sometimes we agree to disagree also, and on the collaborative environment we do. Then we configure, resolve the conflict. We implement strategies to resolve the conflicts through compromise, negotiation, or mediation. Okay, fine. So what we have studied so far, let us test. Which of the following is key component of organization culture? The options are organization structure, financial performance, shared values and beliefs, employee turnover. You can find the answer yourself. What is the primary role of a leader in an organization? Delegating tasks, or managing budgets, or inspire and motivate, or maintain control? So the third question is, which of these is a common challenge in managing organization change? Lack of resources, employee resistance, poor communication, or all of the above? Find the answers. So we give, in summary, what we have studied so far. We have seen what is organization culture, we have seen what is effective leadership, and how to manage change, and how to resolve conflicts. So some more references for your further knowledge. Thank you for being with me in the wonderful knowledge sharing sessions. Dr. Maharajan signing off.